Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install Fiit app on your mobile phone. This app is perfect for hybrid exercisers who mix team equipment with home workouts. So to download it, firstly make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type in Fiit Fiit. As you can see the application in the first option, Fiit workouts and fitness plans. Click on the app and over here click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. As you can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and click on allow to keep track of your activities. Now this app is ready to use. Either log in or sign in with Apple, Google or email and enjoy its features for your fitness journey. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.